Not looking.
Left.
Oh.
See you at the altar.
I can't wait.
Love you.
Love you.
Oh, you can put that away. I've told you, you're not coming to the wedding.
What have I done? Max? I need to tell the police what happened.
So you think it's a coincidence that my notepad and the postcards disappeared right after DeMarcus's keys go missing?
Maybe you just put the notepad somewhere and forgot.
And I dropped Lisa's photo. Someone broke into the flat, Toby.
I'm sorry, what?
The notepad I was practicing Lisa's handwriting in and some spare New Orleans postcards have gone. Someone's taken them.
Oh, that's just perfect. In a few hours, I'm supposed to be standing in the church making vows to your mother with this hanging over my head.
Okay, you just need to push it to the back of your mind. All right, we all do. Just for today.
Just when you think that life is so unfair, karma swoops in to readdress the balance.
Other times, karma needs a helping hand.
Yeah, I'm talking about Fergus, not your ridiculous crusade with the Devereaux.
I thought we were on the same page yesterday.
I was. And then I slept on it and realised that you don't actually have any proof, and you're the only person that thinks Lisa's dead. It's just wild assumptions.
No, it's instinct. Felix, Toby, and Celeste had something to do with Lisa's disappearance. They sent that postcard. You should have seen their faces when they realised this was gone.
Fine. Well, you carry on with your little investigation, but don't expect any help from me.
Please, Grace. I won't be able to get as close to him if me and you aren't.
Oh, I see. So you want to use me so you can crash my best friend's wedding, and you think that we could just pretend to be an item whilst you've hurt me and lied to me just so that you can spy on her family?
Sooner or later, they're gonna slip up. I just need some time.
Your time is up. Not only am I not taking you to the wedding, but I want you out of this flat today.
If you think I am going to let you throw your life away for him...
I can't live with him, Mum.
You've got to stop torturing yourself, Maxine. Here, get this down you.
I don't want a cup of tea. You're treating me like one of your kids in a recital, Mum. I killed somebody, yes, to protect me and countless others he would have hurt.
PC Franks tampered with evidence, Max, to help us. If you go and hand yourself in, she's going to lose her job and probably go to prison with the both of us. If you were a kid at one of my dance recitals, do you know what I would tell you? No. I would tell you to get out of your head and focus on the next step.
What is the next step, Mum?
Bringing Warren home. The police haven't got anything on him anymore, Maxine. The man you love is getting out of prison.
They've been all vague about how it all happened.
It's just tragic.
I know. You know, Fergus always used to tip when he came in here. And he had such a lovely bum.
You want to put that in a card, stick it through Trish's door.
Uh-huh.
Hey, what about Paul Marty? I bet you thought everyone would be talking about a wedding day today, and then this happens.
Need a hand?
Not from you.
Hold. Don't you have that interview with the hotel manager today?
Yeah, which is why I need to crack on.
Oh, come on, Steve, just give me another chance.
But I didn't really want to give you the first chance, but I did, out of the goodness of my heart, and you showed your gratitude by bunking off with Nancy.
She was in a really bad place.
I don't really care. Look, me and you were like pineapple on a pizza. You think, that's gonna work. You give it a go, makes you want to puke.
So a definite no, then. But tell you what, I'll just be over there if you change your mind. And for your information, pineapple on a pizza is actually very delicious. It really ain't, babe. It really ain't.
Ta-da!
Wow. Excuse me while I just take a moment to take that in, because that dress is blowing my mind. Babe, you look unreal.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sorry about your dad.
Oh, do you know what? It's all right. Dad's right where he needs to be.
Oh, and your dream dress arriving right in time just goes to show that it's meant to be.
I could use a little joy in my life.
Here. How was hubby to be this morning?
Just think he was a bit distracted.
Really?
Oh, yeah, well, you know Felix. He's the world's worst when it comes to organisation. Luckily, he's got Toby and Celeste to help him.
Yeah. That's nice how close those three have got.
Yeah. They're always, like, off together, whispering. Sometimes I feel a bit left out.
There he is.
Where's Toby and Celeste?
Oh, they went to get some rum cake that I forgot.
Shouldn't you be getting ready? People are gonna start turning up soon.
Yeah. Look. These were your granddads. I think that's the only thing I ever kept from him. I can hear his voice in my head now. Why? Don't screw this up, you know.
What's that?
Oh, just close for afterwards.
You were gonna do a runner on Martine again?
No.
You're lying. Look, I might have been young, but I can still remember the look on your face when you told me you were leaving. It's the same one you have right now. I knew it. No, I knew it. You haven't changed.
Martine is too good for me. I knew that first time I met her. She'll be better off without me. Just like you were.
Is that what you told yourself? That my life got better when you left? Dad, I was a total mess. All right, I thought it was my fault.
Of course not.
Yeah, I know that now. It's just what you do. You run when things get difficult.
Look, I told you, I regretted that the most, not being more in your life.
Yeah, well, you're gonna regret this too. Because you were right. See, Martine, she is way too good for you. You should be counting your lucky stars that a woman as amazing as her wants to marry you. Look, Dad, you need to stop running.